Okay, so welcome to HPG, hydraulics. Okay, so ang question to galing ito sa fluid mechanics and hydraulics, fourth edition by DIT Grisanya. Okay, so number one, no, 1-1 says that a reservoir of glycerin has a mass of 1,200 kilograms and a volume of 0.952 cubic meters. Find its weight, W, unit weight, and mass density, and specific gravity. So, if you look at the given, ang sabi dito, class is, ang glycerin natin has a mass of 1,200 kilogram, then volume of 0.952 cubic meters. Okay, so find its weight. So, paano natin ma-solve ang weight? Now, pag ganito class, no, let's say, ang letter A question is, we have to find its weight. No? Find the weight. Para madali class, no? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng weight? Ano ang unit ng weight? Ang unit ng weight class is actually, di ba? Unit weight, find the unit weight W, find the weight W, no? Weight W. Ang alam natin class, ang unit ng weight is Newton, di ba? Or the same yan pati force. Okay? The same pati force. Force Newton din, ang weight is also Newton. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Newton? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Newton? Actually, 1 Newton is equals to 1 or ganito na lang, no? Newton is actually kilogram meter per square seconds. Okay? So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng Newton. No? Ang unit ng weight is in Newton, or sometimes no, ang Newton is also referring to the force. So I think no force is the same as the weight. Ang direction lang kasi ng weight is going downward. Okay? So again, no, 1 Newton is equals to 1 kilogram meter per square seconds. Okay? So ano ang ibig sabihin ng kilogram? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng kilogram? Kilogram class is mass. Di ba? Mass yan. Then, ano ang meter per square seconds? That is actually acceleration. Okay, acceleration. Ang meter per square seconds, that is acceleration. Okay. Pag weight yung class, that is actually gravitational acceleration, which is equals to 9.81 meter per square seconds or 32.2 no feet per square seconds. That is gravitational acceleration. Pag SI, that is 9.81 meter per square seconds, and then English is 32.2 foot per square seconds. So again, no, ang Newton, ang ibig sabihin ng Newton is kilogram meter per square seconds. Again, kilogram is mass, then meter per square seconds, that is actually acceleration. Now, pag weight, that is referring to gravitational acceleration, which is equals to 9.81 meter per square seconds or 32.2 feet per square seconds. Alright? So, I think from the units, we can say that weight is equals to mass times, we can say that weight is equals to mass times gravitational acceleration. Can you follow? So based from the unit, no? Again, no? Hindi, ganito ang gawin natin. Di ba, weight, the unit of weight is Newton, and then Newton is kilogram meter per square seconds. Then of course, the formula for weight is ang ibig sabihin ng kilogram, that is mass, and then this one that is gravitational acceleration, di ba? Okay, so ano ba yung mass natin? Given ang mass natin is how much? 1,200 kilograms. So our weight is equals to, our mass is 1,200 kilograms times gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per square seconds. Your weight is equals to, calculator, 1,200 times 9.81 equals, okay, 11,772. So your weight is 11,772 kilogram meter per square second, that is Newton, or sometimes that is equals to 11.772 kilonewton, right? So our weight is 11.772 kilonewton. Again, the unit of weight is Newton. So dapat tandaan natin, no, ang unit ng weight is Newton. The unit of mass is kilogram, and then ang meter per square second, that is referring to acceleration or gravitational acceleration. Okay, so we continue, no? Letter B, unit weight. How will you solve for unit weight? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng unit weight? Letter B, no? Letter B's question is unit weight. Ang unit weight class, that is actually gamma, and the unit is kilonewton per cubic meter, no? Kilonewton per cubic meter, right? So weight, unit weight, ang unit ng ang weight class, no? Ang weight, pag weight lang yan, weight W, the unit is Newton. Pag unit weight, ang unit niya ay kilonewton per cubic meter. So based from this, no, unit ng unit weight, Y is equals to ang kilonewton class, that is actually W, and then ang cubic meter, that is actually volume. So your unit weight, no, unit weight natin is equals to, ano ang weight natin? Nasolve natin kanina ang weight, which is equals to 11.772, right? Kilonewton. So 11.772 kilonewton. Then given din ang volume, how much ba yung volume kanina? 0.952, no? 0.952 cubic meter. Your unit weight is equals to, calculator, right? So 11.772 kilonewton over what? Over 0.952, no? 0.952 equals what? 12.37. Okay, 12.37 kilonewton per cubic meter. 12.37 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so yan, no, unit weight. The unit of weight, W, again, ulitin ko, ang weight class, ang kanyang unit ay kilonewton or newton, and then ang unit weight, ang kanyang unit ay kilonewton per cubic meter. So based from the units itself, we can say that, no, W is the same as force but going downward, which is equals to mass times gravitational acceleration, di ba? Ang Newton kasi class, that is just the same as kilogram meter per square second. So ibig sabihin, weight is mass times gravitational acceleration. And then the unit weight, this one, kilonewton per cubic meter. Ang kilonewton class is weight, over, no, di ba? Over yan. And then, ang cubic meter, that is referring to volume. So, again, unit weight is equals to weight over volume. Next, letter C, mass density. Density or mass density. Ano ang unit ng density class? Letter C. Ano ang unit ng density? Diba? Density raw. Ang unit class ng density is kilogram, kilogram per cubic meter. Yan, density, no? So, from these units, we can say that density is equals to ano ang ibig sabihin ng kilogram? That is referring to mass. And then, ang cubic meter, that is volume. So, meaning, density is mass over volume. Right? So, ano ba yung mass natin given kanina? That is 1,200 kilogram. And then, ang volume natin is 0.952 cubic meter. So, our density, our mass density is equals to 1,200 over 952. 1,200 over 0.952. Sorry. 952 equals 1260.5 kilogram per cubic meter. Right? So, 12 what? Okay. 1,260.5 kilogram per cubic meter. Yeah, that is mass density or density. And then specific gravity, letter D, specific gravity. Specific gravity, specific gravity, which is SG. Ang kanyang unit is unitless, no? Walang unit ang specific gravity. So, we can solve the specific gravity that is equals to using mass density, diba? Using mass density, that is always over the density of the water. Ayan, no? And then, sa taas ay density ng glycerin. Okay? So, walang unit ang specific gravity. Ano ang density ng water? That is 1,000 kilogram, no? 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Ano ang density ng glycerin? Na-solve natin kanina, which is 1260.5. 1260.5, that is the density of the glycerin. So, we can cancel out kilogram per cubic meter. So, your specific gravity is equals to 1,200, no? 1,260. Okay. 1,260.5 over what? Over 1,000. The density of the water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, equals 1.26. Right? So, 1.26 ang specific gravity. Okay, so we can also solve specific gravity using unit weight. Diba? Specific gravity using unit weight. That is unit weight of the water. Unit weight of the water, then unit weight ng glycerin. Ano ang unit weight ng water? That is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter, no? Constant yan. And then the unit weight of the glycerin, na-solve natin kanina, 12.237, no? 12.237 kilonewton per cubic meter. So we can cancel out. So specific gravity, walang unit ang specific gravity. That is equals to 12.237 over 9.81 equals 1.24. Pareho lang, no? 1 point, ano yun? 1.24. Okay, 1.24 ang specific gravity, no? ng glycerin, no? Specific gravity is equals to 1.24. Again, no? Actually, ang ganitong problem, we are just playing with the units. Dapat alam natin, no? Ang unit ng mass, tandaan nyo, that is kilogram. Diba? Naka-SI tayo. Ang unit ng mass is kilogram. And then, second, volume. O pag may, let's say cubic meter, that is referring to volume as long as may cube na yung unit, that is volume. And then, weight, that is kilonewton or newton. K or newton, no? Newton. Weight is newton in newton. Then, ang newton, ang ibig sabihin ng newton is kilogram meter per square second. So, ibig sabihin ang weight is mass times gravitational acceleration. Ang gravitational acceleration class, pag naka-SI, that is 9.81 meter per second square. And then, for English, that is 32.2 feet per square seconds. Okay, next is unit weight. Unit weight W, which is unit weight is in kilonewton per cubic meter. Alright? So, yan ang kanyang unit. So, ibig sabihin, ang unit weight is ang cubic meter, that is volume, then ang kilonewton, that is weight. Okay, so ibig sabihin unit weight is equals to weight over volume. And then density, okay, number 5, no? Density, tandaan natin ang density, the unit is kilogram per cubic meter. So ibig sabihin ang cubic meter referring to volume, then ang kilogram, that is mass. Okay, so sabihin density is equals to mass over volume. Number 6 is specific gravity. No, specific gravity, tandaan natin, unitless ang specific gravity. Always over the density of the water, no? Density of the water, then density of glycerin. So, ang density of glycerin, ano bang density ng water pag naka-SI? That is 1,000 kilogram per cubic. Constant yan, no? Density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Yan. Pag ang ginamit natin ay unit weight, that is unit weight of the water, then unit weight of the glycerin. Again, ang unit weight ng water is 9.81, no? Kilonewton per cubic meter. Constant din ito, no? And then, the unit weight of the glycerin. Okay, so tandaan natin, ang unit weight, ang density ng water is 1,000, constant yun, 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Ang unit weight ng water is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so thank you for watching.